Farmed salmon species originate from wild salmon. Through systematic breeding, the salmon in the farming context have been adapted to aquaculture, and several of the characteristics are now quite different from the wild salmon in terms of, among other things, growth rate, behaviour and appearance. Escape of salmon from fish farms can pose a threat to the genetic identity of the wild salmon. Escaped salmon can both mate with wild salmon and may disrupt the mating in the river. In Norway, genetic changes have been documented in about half of the wild salmon populations as a result of crossbreeding with escaped farmed salmon. Should strong prolonged impact occur, there is a danger that native local populations may be lost. Escaped farmed salmon are also able to transmit infectious diseases and parasites to wild fish species. There are two critical periods in particular for escaping farmed salmon. Research indicates that smolts that escape in the spring and into the summer during the period of natural smolt migration and for a further period have a significantly greater survival rate than fish that escape at other times. To a great extent, these can behave like wild salmon and migrate back to the same geographical area from which they escaped. It is therefore particularly important to have a special focus on the spring deployment of smolt with a view to preventing and limiting the extent of escapes. Escapes of salmon approaching sexual maturity appear to follow current systems and may migrate up and spawn in nearby rivers. Immature salmon that escape in the autumn have a relatively low survival rate. The causes of escape are complex, and most escape incidents today are due to human failure, poor routines, or equipment.